To enable and use Clipboard on the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let me adjust the size of the keyboard so we can see this much more clearer. Okay, so now open your keyboard. Look for this clipboard icon on the top row. If you select it, you need to turn on your clipboard. Now, as you can see, there's our clipboard, and you can already see some of the text inside. You can click and hold each of the text to remove it, because this is basically some gibberish that you don't need here. Now when we have everything removed, we can type in something. So go back to your keyboard and type anything that you like to save in your clipboard, and then just copy it. That way, if we enter our clipboard, we can see it in the recent. You can always click on it to delete it, pin it, or paste it into the text. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.